फैशन बदलता रहता है लेकिन स्टाइल स्टेज फॉरएवर, क्योंकि ये स्टाइल होता है आपका। एंड ऑन दैट नोट, वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ फ्लिप फैशन, वो शो जो आपके पर्सनल स्टाइल और इंटरनेशनल फैशन ट्रेंड्स को ब्यूटीफुली ब्लेंड करता है। एंड टू हेल्प यू डू जस्ट दैट, मैं हूँ अरवाना, योर पर्सनल स्टाइल कंसल्टेंट फ्रॉम फिल्मफेयर। एंड ऑन द शो टुडे, इट्स टाइम टू पार्टी पीपल। Ruling the party scene once again is my favorite black and white combo. So pick up a white crop top with a solid print or message in black like Priyanka Chopra. इसके साथ पहनिए black knee length rayon skirt. Layered semi-transparent skirts मुझे बहुत exciting लगते हैं because even if they are longer, they have a certain bold quality to them. Of course, अगर ये आपका comfort zone नहीं है, then you can always go in for a solid pencil skirt. इस look को complete कीजिए with a pair of high heel sandals. Black again, of course. Priyanka style black and white look for you is just a click away. Flipkart पर ये sandals करीब 1800 rupees में मिल रहे हैं, while the skirt and top can be yours for around 1300. And while we're still on the black and white, एक और look option है जो मैं strongly recommend करूंगी, and that's the one that Shraddha Kapoor is fronting. Polyester या chiffon में black long sleeve shirt बहुत chic लगता है. Remember, fashion is all about the right balance. क्योंकि ये top ज़्यादा sophisticated है and you don't want to look too formal at a party, pick up a rather playful skirt. Shraddha का ये pleated black skirt with white prints काफी cute है. Alternatively, you can also go in for an A-line skirt, but keep the chic feel of this party look alive with sandals that are buckled and minimalistic. Flipkart पर ये shirt, skirt और sandals तीनों के multiple options available हैं and all at very affordable prices. Party कोई भी हो, आप definitely dazzle करेंगे by putting on a gorgeous golden, जैसे यहाँ सोफी चौधरी ने पहना है. Now the thing about golden dresses is that they invariably become head turners, so remember to wear them with a lot of confidence. और क्योंकि इस ड्रेस का हाईलाइट उसका कलर है, पैटर्न के मामले में I would recommend something simpler. A-line and bandage dress styles भी अच्छे options हैं, and if you're doing golden, then go the whole hog. Footwear के लिए भी golden heels ही flaunt करें. Flipkart पर ये golden dress और sandals दोनों के multiple options available है at different prices. Pick up the combo that works the best for you and get set to sparkle all the way. Although there are enough and more party wear options available even for men, I strongly believe that there is nothing more suave than the good old tuxedo. Ranbir Kapoor का ये classic black outfit is both chic and dashing. A tuxedo is considered to be the perfect dinner suit. So here's your chance to steal the show. Remember, tuxedo का सबसे important aspect होता है उसका label, यानी the folded flap of the cloth on the jacket. हालांकि peaked and notched labels भी काफी popular है, but what Ranbir is wearing is a shawl label, and that's what I would totally recommend क्योंकि traditional tuxedo को एक younger look देते हैं. Put on a pair of black formal shoes and you totally have the makings of a knight in shining armor. Flipkart पर आप एक slim fit tuxedo खरीद सकते हैं for around 5,000 rupees, which is very reasonable. And with that, you're ready to arrive in style and be the showstopper. So go right ahead, party hard, and come back right here for more. क्योंकि जब बात हो style tips की, nothing beats flip fashion.